X squared minus 6x plus 4 equals 0. Man, we're getting close to the bridge, the pons asinorum, the bridge that we're going to cross. What we see here is, how do we solve this guy? It's a quadratic. X squared plus 6 or minus 6x plus 4 equals 0? It's looking kind of scary. Well, we learned how to complete the square. We've learned many other tools up to this point. How to deal with square roots, how to manipulate functions with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so forth. Well, we're starting to get to the point where we got a problem where we can take everything we've learned, all the tools in our tool belt, to help us solve a very fundamental aspect of our course that we're in. So let me show you what I would do in this particular problem and how to solve it. And I'm going to solve it through a process or with the tool or the completing the square tool that we previously learned. What I will do first is I'm going to just have the x squared minus 6x on one side, and I'm going to get rid of that plus 4. And when I say get rid of it, all we're doing is adding a negative 4 to both sides. So we're not changing the problem, we're not doing anything new. There's no hocus pocus going on here. So x squared minus 6x equals a negative 4. Alright, let's just pay attention to what's on the left side right now. Remember how we complete the square? Because I want a perfect square trinomial there. Okay, yeah, I see the wheels turning. I take that middle term, negative 6, divide it by 2, and square it. So negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3, and I square it, and it's a plus 9. You also remember, since we're dealing with an equation, whatever I do to one side of the equation, I need to do to the other side of the equation. So if I add 9 here, what do you think I'm going to do over here? I'm going to add a 9 as well. And that just maintains the integrity of the problem. Integrity, good word. Maintains the integrity of the problem. So x squared minus 6x plus 9, well, that 9 is the only number that I can think of. Maybe you can think of another one. I don't think so. But it's the only number I can think of that can turn that trinomial into a perfect square trinomial. So x squared minus 6x plus 9, this is actually x minus 3 squared. And over on the right side, I'll do this part, okay? Minus 4 plus a 9, that's a 5. All right, now are you starting to see the beauty of what we just did? Now I can solve for x by taking the square root of both sides. Ha-ha. I have x minus 3 equals plus or minus 5. Oh, I'm so close to getting x by itself. Let's add 3 to both sides. X equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 5. That is the solution. In fact, 2 solutions to our original problem. X squared minus 6x plus 4 equals 0. What are the solutions to make that true? 3 plus square root of 5 and 3 minus square root of 5. I wouldn't have guessed that in a million years if I was trying to factor it out. But through the completing the square process, one that I need to practice over and over and over and over again, I was able to find the solutions to that particular equation. I know, you're thinking, man, this is a thing of beauty. Well, it is. So, all right, you got that going for you? Excellent. Practice a couple more, guys.